Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leslie. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. It means so much to me when you guys subscribe to my channel. If you're not new, hey girl, welcome back. Today we're going to be cooking some enchiladas rojas, you guys. We cooking this for last night's dinner, but then we ended up having to go run some errands, so I'm going to be cooking it with you guys today. Happy Friday, you guys. It is a Friday, feel good Friday, and I'm feeling really good. Hopefully this dinner comes out faster and quick because we already have our chicken shredded. All we gotta do is make the salsa, so we got it here. So these are the enchiladas how my mom used to make them, from what I remember, you guys. I know she used to use a lot of chile ancho, where her sauce was always really dark, but I really love the chile guajillo, which is just like a lighter red chile, and I don't know, it just has such a sweet and smoky smell to it that I love it so much. So I'm gonna go ahead and add it into my sauce. And really, you guys, when you're making your enchilada sauce, there's no right or wrong way to cooking, so do not be intimidated or scared. Like, we are all doing this together and learning, and that's what we're here for. That's why I'm here with you guys, to share my recipe. That way you can throw it down for your families too. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Let's go ahead and stay tuned for the video. To make your salsa or enchilada sauce spicy, you can always add some chile de árbol, or you can add chile serrano as well. That will make your red sauce a little bit more spicy. I'm going to be adding in some chile de árbol for mine because I do want it to be just a little spicy. Growing up, I really didn't I didn't really care for enchiladas rojas much, but as I got older, I started to really like it. I feel like it's just so nice to stay, authentic to your culture and to your heritage, and not forget your recipes. And I know it's convenient and easy, to just use the can, because trust me, I've done it before. There was something about actually cooking it. I think that just makes the cooking experience a little bit more fun, and I feel like you enjoy the food a lot more because you know that you know everything that's in it, and you made it, the tortillas, that way they can be easier to roll. And our sauce is done boiling. I have my little dish. I actually got this one at Goodwill, you guys. I think this is the perfect size. It says it's a Pyrex 8x8 pan. I think this is a perfect size for a small family, because I used to have this huge one, like lasagna size, you know what I'm talking about, and that would just make way too many enchiladas every time. So I love having this small dish because it's perfect. So anyways, let's go ahead and blend our sauce now that it's done. I'm literally copying with these chiles right now. But our chiles are done. Add in a little bit of this water that we used to boil. That way it just blends good. And we already know. A little ASMR moment. Guys, I moved my blender to that little corner right here because it was just an awkward corner that I was covering up with a frame, and I was like, perfect place to stash the blender. Next step, you guys, you could fry the salsa with some aceite and fry it up, and it will make the sauce darker as well, and obviously it tastes better, Because what doesn't taste better fried, right? With a little extra oil. I want to do a healthier approach. I'm not gonna fry mine, okay? But you can most definitely fry it if you'd like to fry yours in some oil, olive oil, avocado oil. Girl, when I tell you, that is good. That's real good. All right, our sauce is done, but I hear Kai waking up, so I'm gonna go ahead and get him and get him situated on the couch. That way we can finish dinner, and I'll be right back, you guys. All right, you guys, so we got our sauce ready. We got our tortillas already warmed up. We got our bowl ready to start making the enchiladas. What I like to do first is add a little bit of sauce to the bottom of the bowl. That way nothing gets stuck. So I just finished cooking the enchiladas and I have them ready, and all that's left to do now is put them in the oven. I'm gonna put them in the oven at like 300 for about 15 to 20 minutes. We just basically want the cheese to get all melty and delicious. I'm gonna serve ours with some refried beans.